We start with steel and a problem to solve. Equipment needs to be safer and stronger. Processes need to be automated and use less manpower. Machinery needs to run longer and more efficiently. Vehicles need to be customized to meet the demands of an ever-changing industry. It starts with steel. And from there, we manufacture solutions. At Green Valley, our engineering team takes pride in developing creative solutions to some of the toughest challenges in industry. Automation, efficiency, safety. Our team designs equipment built to tackle these problems from the ground up. From quick change solutions for dye and mold industries to custom equipment designed for aerospace or vehicle manufacturing. We develop custom equipment designed specifically for your application because engineering the right solution for the right job is our passion.